Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Zach with Zach's Auto Detailing in Springfield, Tennessee. And today I got a quick little video for you. I'm actually in my Honda, my detail machine, and we are headed to the car wash first, and then to a guy I go to church with. His name is Daniel Spain. He actually redesigned my logo late last year, and now he's going to be applying the logo onto my car. Trying to get some more branding out for my business, and so this is the next step. Have the generator now. This is the next step of trying to get my name out there, up here in my little local town. And so come along with me. We are just gonna go to the car wash real fast because it's been a little dusty. Just wanna make sure the paint is as clean as possible for this, and then get this thing started. Good thing is the car wash is actually on the way to his house. So let's get it going. I'll see you at your car wash. I will say, I normally don't ever recommend car washes. Again, they never clean the brushes. It's gonna scratch the fire out of your paint. I'd never recommend it. But my car, it has orange peel. I got pretty bad paint. Again, it's 2010 Honda. It's what you expect when you buy an old Honda. And so I'm not worried about the paint. I'm not worried about scratching. It's already scratched half to death. So I'm not worried about it. Just try to get the dust off. But if you have a brand new car, don't do it. Call me. Seriously. Here we go though. Let's get on over here. All right, we are here finally. Alright guys, is the next day. My phone actually died on me, like right when I pulled up to that guy's house. So I only got a little bit of the video of him putting it on, but I'm about to show you the end results. Actually looks really good. One disclaimer, my logo is actually gray, but here's a little, it's kind of bluish, like a light blue, because my car is gray, so it just didn't make sense to do gray on gray. So, but I'll roll the clips. It looks really good. Again, I'm so happy with this and how it came out. Again, I think the blue looks really good, especially blue for detailing is clean. Again, blue is a clean color, so I'm very, very happy with what it came out to be. Again, exactly what I kind of pictured. And overall, I'm very, very happy with this. Looks really good. I mean, it really stands out. I've already actually had a couple of people look at it today as I was passing them. It was pretty awesome to see their reactions and to do a double take. And so, yeah, we are officially wrapped, ready to do some more advertising for myself. And so I'm very excited. Can hope you liked a little bit of this little video. And if you like videos that are detailing, that are just discussing cars or some detailed tips and tricks, please feel free to subscribe, like, and share this video. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day or good night, and God bless.